In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and delete third-party app connections from your Google account. It's a straightforward process, but it's crucial for maintaining your account's security and privacy. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Google homepage. This is where everything starts. It's your portal to accessing all the Google services tied to your account. If you haven't already signed in, you'll need to do so by entering your credentials. It's crucial to be logged in to make any changes to your account settings. Once you're signed into your account, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile picture or initial. Click on it and a small menu will appear. From this menu, select Manage Your Google Account. This will take you to the dashboard where you can control various settings related to your Google account. Now that you're in your Google account settings, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a list of categories such as personal info, data and personalization, and others. The one we need is security. Click on Security, and you'll enter the section dedicated to keeping your account safe. In the Security section, scroll down until you find the heading, Your Connections to Third-Party Apps and Services. This area shows all the external apps and services that have access to your Google account. Click on See All Connections to get a comprehensive view. It's important to review this list periodically, as over time, many apps may gain access to your account without you realizing it. Now locate the app called Temu in this list. Click on it to reveal more details about its connection to your account. You'll see information about the access it has and the permissions you've previously granted. If you're no longer using Temu or simply wish to cut its connection for privacy reasons, you can easily do so. To sever the connection completely, click on Delete All Connections You Have with Temu. This action will remove the app's access to your Google account. It's a simple step, but it ensures your data remains secure and private. After confirming this action, you'll be free from any unwanted access Temu once had. And just like that, you're done. By following these steps, you've successfully removed a third-party connection to your account, helping bolster your privacy and control over personal data. Remember, it's good practice to regularly review which apps have access to your account and manage them as needed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to stay safe online.